Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remote start Hyundai Kona 2024, updated. Press lock once, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds to start the engine and engage climate control. If the car does not start, check that the hood is closed and the key fob battery is charged. Remember to unlock and enter within 10 minutes to keep settings active and avoid automatic shutoff. If remote start fails, try simple fixes first and stay calm while testing each step. Start by swapping the key fob battery and reattempting the sequence in a clear area with good signal. Inspect the dash for service lights that could block remote start and ensure the hood is fully closed. If problems persist, consult your owner manual or contact a dealer for system diagnostics and possible software updates. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more how-to guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which fits most cup holders and keeps drinks cold on long trips. It pairs nicely with a warmed Kona after a winter remote start. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Remote starting safely means being mindful of location, ventilation, and local rules before you start the car from afar. Always use remote start outdoors and avoid closed garages to prevent carbon monoxide exposure. Configure your Kona climate preset so heating or cooling begins on every remote start, and check local idling laws to avoid fines. These small steps keep you comfortable, legal, and safe when warming or cooling your Kona remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.